These are the 3 deadliest earthquakes in the world, with a lot of casualties, guys. First, Shaanxi earthquake 1556. It occurred in Shaanxi province, China. With a magnitude estimated at 8.0, it killed more than 830,000 people, making it the deadliest earthquake in history, guys. Okay, don't forget to like and subscribe to this video. Okay, thanks. Second, Tangshan earthquake 1976, located in Tangshan, China. With a magnitude of 7.5, it killed around 242,000 people, with the city almost flattened, guys. Third, Indian Ocean earthquake 2004. It occurred offshore of Sumatra, Indonesia. With a magnitude of 9.1 to 9.3, it killed around 280,000 people in 14 countries, guys.